Keep it lit. Pretty bitch music. Big mama, I'm a shit talker. I see him copy every look, I got a few dollars. Every check I deposit got a few commas. Fuck, getting paid off the blade, you can't use. I'm a top dollar bitch, but I'm far from a Gucci. Pretty bitch music. Trending off a selfie. Chanel me, off the top shelf, please. Show him I know how to throw it back if he could pitch. We can switch, I could be the 9 and you could be the 6. Give me shoes, give me jewels, put a Slurpee on my wrist. Got a zoom in the afternoon, boy, you got it big. My baby hair's laid. Fendi frame, the Hermes mermaid. Pretty face, no waist, first plate. I'd be a billionaire if I sold my sex tape. Pretty bitch music. Pretty bitch music. Pretty bitch music.
Hey you all. Y'all hear that echo? Y'all hear that echo? Can y'all hear that echo? What does that mean? Let me scoot back. What does that mean? Am I in my own house? I'm in my own house. What we're about to do is we're about to do a little cleaning video. By the time you see this video, you already know that I'm in my own house. You already know. So I'm downstairs grabbing my cleaning things to go upstairs to clean my bathroom. So y'all gonna clean my bathroom with me because the bathroom is just upstairs is just disgusting. It's nasty, it's disgusting, I hate it. But you guys know where I come from. Being homeless. So anything, I will take a hole in the wall as a bathroom and be happy with it. So I'm going up here to clean my little disgusting bathroom. I'm gonna burn this candle. I was not able to get the natural sage today, so I found this in the store last minute. I'm gonna burn the sage. I got some more candles. I got this acoustic sage. This is my toothbrush holder for the bathroom. I got this Hawaiian sweet vanilla scented candle, and it looks like that, and it smells so good. This is a Dollar Tree buy. This is a Roses buy, or Maxway if you got that in your city, you know what that is. And this is Cashmere Woodlands. This is a Dollar Tree buy as well. They all smell good. But the sage, I'm gonna walk through with it, and I gotta bless this house. I got to bless this house, y'all. I'm going to get my anointing oil, honey, and put prayers upon these doorways in this house to protect me and my babies from bad spirits and bad intentions. Anybody with any bad vibes, shooting off bad vibes to us. I got to do that. So you guys, I'm so excited. I'm going to go ahead and get all set here. I've already cleaned up down here today. I swept, I Swiffer-jetted, mopped, scrubbed, did the bathroom down here, scrubbed and cleaned that, cleaned the sinks out, wiped out the stoves, did all the wiping and stuff. So now what I'm about to do is, my leg itching. Now what I'm about to do is go upstairs to this here bathroom and handle that. It's a little musty. Y'all gonna see it, it's a little musty. So let's go, guys. Let me stop chit-chatting and let's go. I'm gonna bring this up there too so it can smell good, the cleaner. And then I need my Swiffer wet jet. So we're gonna head on upstairs so I can get started on that. Y'all see this? The struggle is real. All the things I'm holding right now. Just wanna show y'all what I'm cleaning with. I got my little sponge. Y'all ignore my nails coming off. Baby girl coming, who cares? I got my little sponge. I got my gloves, my rug, my trash can to go with it. My window, I got my toilet brush. I got this multi-surface cleaner I'm gonna clean with. And I got some of this. And I'm gonna show you. And I got this, of course I showed y'all downstairs. My toothbrush holder. Let me show y'all what on earth. I do got a medicine cabinet. I got a medicine cabinet. Hey. I didn't think I had one of them. What? A medicine cabinet. That's cool. Okay. All right. Y'all see I got my wig on here. So look at this shower, guys. It looks so ew. Mix up all the way back. So my main mission is to try to get this as clean as I can. Being pregnant and all, I'm already out of breath. I ain't even started yet. And y'all gonna watch me do it. I gotta scrub my toilet. And it's not dirty, but I'm gonna still clean. I got my Swiffer wet jet. So we're gonna get started. We're gonna get started. This is the outside looking in. And let's get started. Come on. You guys already know. Let me see if I put y'all in the cabinet. Oh. can see how I got y'all set up. They done messed up now. I got a spot for y'all, honey, in the cabinet, honey, in the cabinet. In the cabinet, honey, in the cabinet. In the cabinet, honey, in the cabinet. In the cabinet, honey. Look at my nails, God, it looks bad. Look at that. Like, girl, what you been doing? I decided to just let my nails go because Callie's coming and I might as well just not have no nails so I don't scratch her little face. I wanted to keep them fleeked out, but I got a little baby girl coming. It don't even matter no more. Everything that mattered don't matter no more. Y'all already know what the dilly is. What the dilly is. Y'all know how I gets down. If you a loyal subscriber, you know I don't do the wig when I'm cleaning. And if I leave it on while I'm cleaning, y'all special. But tonight, I want to clean. And you can't clean with your hair all in your face and all that. So we just gonna go ahead, pull Betsy Loop off, honey. And I did it. Yes, I did. We gonna slip this. All right, let's go, guys. See, here she go. Betsy Lou. You're probably like, I'm tired of her. Yes, I'm still pregnant. She's still in there. She not trying to let me go be free. But when she come out, y'all gonna be the first ones to know. But I'm gonna get started on this video. So let me get y'all set up somewhere where y'all can see me. I'm gonna start off on the shower first because this shower is gritty, nitty gritty. Nitty gritty. We gotta clean that. See how well we can clean it. We're gonna start off spraying this right here, okay? Because I don't really know why this thing is dirty like this. I have no idea. But this is bathroom cleaner. I'm gonna spray this on here and hope this helps some because I don't know. I just don't know what this is. This substance that's on this shower. You guys, I am pooped. So I scrubbed the tub. It's still stained as heck. I don't really know, but I scrub really good. Like, I know I scrub good. And the chemicals are very strong. So I know like it's not just me, it's just a worn shower. Just look at it. But like I said, I'm not one to complain because I'm coming from being homeless, y'all, living in hotels. So like anything that I get and it's mine, it's something to me. So I'm grateful for this stained tub. But I'm just a little irritated because y'all see, let me zoom in. Those spots and stuff, like no. And that's after me scrubbing it. You would think it was filth and dirt, but it's not. Like I really scrubbed this. So I'm gonna talk to the landlord to see if what can we do? Like, can we get another shower? Like, can I get another tub? Can something be done? I'm grateful because it's just that, it's mine. I'm gonna go ahead and sweep this floor, you guys, and Swiffer wet jet. Oh, I gotta clean the toilet stuff first. I'll clean the toilet stuff first. Y'all gonna see that. So let's go.
Hey.